Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have seen my face, this is OGOM'S series, and still yet happy new year. Okay, so today I'll be telling you the social media platform for which you can drop your link in order to get more views or more audience to your channel. So if you would love to know more, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So you just need to focus on me. All right, I'm doing this video. I just finished from work and I decided to make this video because the video idea just came to me. So today I'll be telling you the social media platform for which you can drop your link in order to get more views on your channel, in order to get more subscribers, or in order to get more audience on your channel. So first and foremost, if you are the type that is always shy of dropping your link maybe on your WhatsApp platform, I don't know what you're still waiting for. People need to know that you're a YouTuber. Your friends need to know that you're a YouTuber. So the first and foremost place that I know that people usually go first thing in the morning whenever they wake up is their WhatsApp. So your link should always be on your WhatsApp status. Whenever you make your video and you have posted your video, there is always a three dotted lines by the side of your video which says share, and if you brings out the share, you will see WhatsApp and different other platforms there. Click on the WhatsApp. When you click on it, your link goes directly to your WhatsApp status, and that way people will click on it. Even if they don't watch, they have actually clicked on the video and they will definitely subscribe if it's someone that wants to subscribe to your channel. So don't be shy in dropping your link on your WhatsApp status. It's very, very important. Family members need to know that you are a YouTuber. Your friends need to know that you're a YouTuber. Okay, so WhatsApp is the first place that you need to always drop your video link. Now the next one will be Facebook. Okay, you can drop your YouTube link on your Facebook wall. Okay, whenever you make your video, yes, you can still go to the three dotted lines. When you click on it, click on share, you're going to see Facebook. Now your link goes directly to Facebook. You can write if your video was all about how to prepare jollof rice, you can write how to prepare jollof. Hey Anambra, hey nasiki one obara Jesus, how to prepare jollof rice. So you can make it as your heading and click on share. So your link will be there and people will know that you are actually a YouTuber. So Facebook is another platform for which you can drop your link in order to get more views or more subscribers to your channel. Remember not to drop your links on other random Facebook groups so that you don't get hacked. Okay, there are so many YouTube groups that are on Facebook. Some are legit, while some of them are not legit. So please always be mindful wherever you drop your link on Facebook. You can drop your link on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook wall. Yes, people should know that you're a YouTuber. Now, another place for which you can drop your link is Instagram. Okay, this is a picture of Instagram. If you don't know what Instagram is all about, Instagram is a social media platform. Okay, people sell out on all social media platforms, but Instagram is a social media platform on its own. Okay, so many things are happening there. Now, your link should always be on your bio. Okay. Now, when I mean that your link being on your bio is that when you post your video, you take your link and go to your Instagram profile. When you go there, you click on edit profile. When you click on edit profile, it will bring out your other bio for you. Where there is websites, always drop your link there. When you drop your link, you click on save. Now, whenever you post maybe a thumbnail of your video on your Instagram, refer people to click on my bio to watch the full video. People should know that you're a YouTuber. Always post your link on your Instagram wall. As you are going there to go and post Slay Queen, you stay like this. You say for the chakam pie. You post for us. Hey, bridesmaid of the year. Always post your YouTube video thumbnail there, or just a clip of your video on your on your Instagram page, please. People also get the awareness. You can also make use of the hashtag YouTube channel. People go to all this hashtag and click on it just to scroll around. You will be lucky someone will come about your channel and definitely click on it to watch your video. Now, another place that you can also post your YouTube link is Twitter. Okay, if you're going to Twitter to go and do savage reply, if you're going to Twitter to go and do other things that they are doing there, always make sure that you post your video there. Okay, now if you go to that same share, you will see Twitter. When you click on Twitter, the link goes directly to your Twitter page or your Twitter profile, you can write your headings. Lit traditional marriage. Once you click on once you write that, click on share, it shares and people will know that this is also your YouTube. Now, another huge place that you don't need to forget to drop your link is TikTok, okay? TikTok is a very huge platform now, okay? And it's not limited to only Nigeria, okay? TikTok is worldwide, okay? Now, your link should always be on your bio. Your link should always be on your bio. Now, whenever you're doing your challenge, doing that, that challenge that you people used to go and do, I'm also on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. Now, whenever you're doing your challenge, always refer people back to follow me on my YouTube channel. Put your name there. Carry your YouTube channel for head anywhere you are going. People need to know that you're a YouTuber. Your YouTube channel should always be, link should always be on your bio. Don't forget that. Don't forget that's why doing your challenge. People on TikTok will definitely click whenever they know that you have a YouTube platform. So TikTok is one of them. So another place that you need to be dropping your link in order to get more views or more audience on your channel is Reddit. Now, if you go to Reddit platform, you'll be confused on what to do there. But Reddit has different communities there. You will see fitness community, you will see YouTube community, you will see food community. Whichever community for which you want to be, always make sure that you join the YouTube community. Now, when you're there, people randomly drop links or drop questions on the day. How do I grow my channel? When you go there, and some people also say maybe all these top YouTubers, they will say, okay, I would want to review some YouTube channels. Okay, you can be lucky and your channel gets reviewed. That will happen only if you drop your link, but be mindful on the places where you drop your link. Okay, links that are being dropped there are usually sub for sub. Okay, but if you still want to go ahead to do the sub for sub so please, you need to be very careful when dropping your link on Reddit or any other social media platform. Reddits are usually sub for sub. You will see so many YouTube links there. You will see so many YouTube links there, and usually some of them are always gaming channel. Okay, if you don't know what gaming channel is a channel that shows only games, like these cartoon games where they're playing games, and those are usually sub for sub. And there are still ones that will subscribe to your channel and they're just there. So Reddit is also a place for you to drop your link. You just need to take that risk, but be mindful of how you drop your link. Now, another place for which you can drop your link is Linktree. I don't know if I got the name correctly, but I will just be leaving the name on the screen. Okay, now I always think that social media platform is only for those that are very tech, because if you enter there, you'll be seeing some people's profile and you will start doubting the education that you have went to. Some people's profile is very tech. You will go there, you will see somebody that is 20 years old. One full profile like this, you'll be asking yourself, my sister, the profile is always tech there. But don't allow anybody intimidate you. If you enter there, go to your own profile, talk whatever you want to talk. If you can put a picture of your thumbnail, put a picture of your thumbnail there and drop your link gingerly. After dropping your link, engage on other people's posts, okay, so that people can come to yours, see the post that you have made about YouTube, and would love to also check out your YouTube channel, because you can't just post your link and go without engaging on other people's posts. Same goes to Instagram, same goes to Facebook, same goes to Twitter, same goes to WhatsApp. Okay, now if you're on Twitter and you don't even go to all these celebrities pages or celebrities wall, whenever they make a post, you can just drop a random comment. People will say, oh, who left this comment? Let me even check out their profile. And when they check your profile, they will say, oh, he or she even has a YouTube channel. Why don't I check it out? So that is how you can be lucky. And on Instagram, you can always make use of the hashtag YouTube channel. Okay, I know that when you drop that hashtag YouTube channel, all these Oibo people, all these scammers, they will send a mail to you, or they will send a DM to you. Oh, I would love to grow your channel for you, and they don't fall a victim. Just don't fall a victim. Don't listen to anyone. Drop your link on your Instagram bio. Whenever you make your post, use the popular hashtag YouTube channel, and that's all. Okay, whoever sends a DM to you, my sister, run. Okay, so these are the social media platforms for which you can drop your links in order to get more views or more audience on your channel. But remember, as you're dropping your link, you also need to show love to others. You also need to support others. wherever you are, even on Facebook, leave comments on other people's posts, like other people's posts. Even on Instagram, if someone should drop a post, please like that post, leave a very nice comment. Even if the clothes the person is wearing is odokala or the person is wearing back of clothes, just leave a very nice comment. Beautiful. Leave it like that, because it's not everyone that would take it lightly when you advise them, okay? Because you don't know the kind of person the person is. Yes, you don't know the kind of behavior or the kind of mindset that the person have. Not everyone will be open for your advice. So all you need to do is to respect your boundaries. This 2022 should be a year of respecting people's boundaries, okay? Because definitely you'll be saying savage reply, savage reply. You will definitely meet your match one day. You will definitely meet your match. Come and beat me, I'm in my house, and they will knock at your door one day and you get one blow 7 apples. So let's try as much as possible to respect each other's boundary. If you know that you aren't close to this person or you don't relate well to this person, I don't see a reason why you should come. Maybe the food that the person, I always say this, if the rice soak water, leave it like that for that person. That person must have watched that video and noticed that the rice soak water. If you need to leave an advice, first of all, compliment, because the person took time to edit that video. The person took time to upload that video. So first of all, compliments for sharing. Then you can now leave your comment very gently and very kindly, and that person can take it at heart. So if this is a video that you can relate with, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. I have a goal this year, and that goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers this year. Let me have that plate that YouTube used to give people. But in all, as I'm trying to pursue that, I want to put a smile on your face. I want to impact in others, okay? I want to put a smile on your face. I want that whenever you come to my channel, it's either you're happy, it's either you're learning something, or it's either you're grabbing something. Whatever you're coming to my channel to go and do, I want it to be something impactful. So please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one.